If your dragon braid ponytails always end up looking messy or uneven, today I'm showing you the secret to a perfectly clean and uniform finish. This is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial you can actually follow along with. I'm breaking down every single step, showing you exactly where to place your hands and sharing my best tricks to make the basics super easy. Let's get into it. Go ahead and start with a high ponytail. You can wrap a small piece of hair around the elastic to hide it, and I'll link a quick tutorial for that down in the description. Now split your ponytail horizontally into a top section and a bottom section. For a super clean start, tie the bottom section on top with a clear or color matched elastic. It really helps set things up neatly right from the beginning. Stick around, you'll see the magic in a few stitches. Alright, for our first real step, take that top section and split it right down the middle into two equal pieces. Then grab the bottom section, pull it up through the middle of those two pieces, and just clip it out of the way for now. Now bring those two split pieces back together underneath and secure them with a small elastic. Then go ahead and unclip that section on top. Now for the fun part, pancaking to add volume. Gently pinch and pull the outer edges of that secured section. Take your time here. Little pulls give you a much cleaner shape than grabbing it all at once. Since today is all about the basic dragon braid technique, I'm using a mannequin so you can clearly see every single step. I know real hair behaves differently, so I'll link a dedicated tutorial on how to volumize natural hair in the description. But honestly, this technique easily makes any hair density look fuller compared to regular braids. Now we just repeat the pattern. Take the new top section and split it in half. Pull the lower section up through the middle and clip it. Combine the two split pieces underneath and secure with an elastic. And a quick pro tip, make sure you keep your elastics tight and close to the section right above. That's what keeps the whole braid from coming undone. Then drop the top section down. And now gently pull the edges to build that volume. Again, patience here makes all the difference. Let's take a quick pause right here. Now you can actually see the magic of that first trick we did. To show you why it matters, here's the braid without tying that bottom section. Huge difference, right? Alright, let's get back to braiding. Split the top section again. Try to divide it at the exact same spot each time, so your braid stays totally even and symmetrical all the way down. Pull the bottom section up. Combine and secure the split pieces. And gently pancake the edges. From here, we're just going to repeat this exact same pattern all the way down to the length of the hair. As you get closer to the ends, you might notice a little more frizz. A texture powder gives great grip. But if you have dark hair and want to avoid white residue, a light hairspray or styling cream works perfectly instead. To finish it off cleanly at the bottom, combine your last split pieces in the back and tie them directly to the section right above it. This keeps the whole braid looking seamless and balanced. And there you have it, a gorgeous dragon braid ponytail. If you want to see how to style this for a special event, click the video on the screen right now. And if you're totally new to braiding, definitely check out my beginner playlist linked below. If this helped you out, a like and subscribe means the world to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.